Our planet teems with life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. From the highest mountains, where snow-capped peaks touch the sky, to the deepest oceans, where vibrant coral reefs flourish, a delicate balance exists. This balance is the result of millions of years of evolution and adaptation. This is the natural world, a tapestry of interconnected ecosystems. Each ecosystem, whether it be a dense forest, a sprawling wetland, or a vast desert, is a unique community of living organisms and their environment. Each ecosystem is a community of living things and their environment. Plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms all interact in complex ways, creating a web of life that sustains the planet. They are vital for the health of our planet and our own survival. Healthy ecosystems provide us with clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, and a stable climate. They also offer us food, medicine, and countless other resources. Imagine a vast forest, sunlight filtering through the canopy. The trees, with their towering trunks and sprawling branches, provide shelter and sustenance for countless species. Monkeys swing through the trees, their agile movements a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life in the forest, while insects hum about their business. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators play a crucial role in the reproduction of plants, ensuring the continuation of life. This is an ecosystem in action, a symphony of life. Every creature, no matter how small, has a part to play in this grand performance. Together, they create a world in balance, a world worth protecting. Every ecosystem relies on a few key ingredients. These ingredients are the building blocks of life, creating a delicate balance that sustains all living organisms. Without them, the intricate web of life would unravel, leading to the collapse of entire ecosystems. Sunlight provides energy for plants, the primary producers. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, which is then used to fuel their growth and reproduction. This energy is passed on to herbivores that consume the plants and then to carnivores that eat the herbivores, creating a chain of energy transfer that supports the entire ecosystem. Air, with its life-giving oxygen, sustains animals. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, a process that releases energy from food. Animals inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, which plants then use in photosynthesis, creating a continuous cycle that maintains the balance of gases in the atmosphere. Water nourishes all living things, flowing through rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is vital for all biological processes, from digestion to temperature regulation. Water also serves as a habitat for countless species, from microscopic plankton to massive whales, each playing a role in the aquatic food web. And of course, there are the plants and animals themselves. Plants provide food, shelter, and oxygen, while animals contribute to pollination, seed dispersal, and nutrient cycling. Each organism, no matter how small, has a role to play in maintaining the health and stability of the ecosystem. Each species plays a role, from the smallest insect to the largest predator. Bees pollinate flowers, enabling plants to reproduce, while predators help control the population of herbivores, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the availability of resources for future generations. Together, they form a complex web of interactions that keeps the ecosystem thriving. This web is a testament to the interconnectedness of life, where every action has a ripple effect, influencing the entire system. By understanding and protecting these interactions, we can ensure the continued health and resilience of our planet's ecosystems. In a perfect ecosystem, everything is connected. Plants convert sunlight into energy, providing food for herbivores. Carnivores, in turn, keep herbivore populations in check. Decomposers break down dead organisms, returning nutrients to the soil. This delicate balance ensures that no single species dominates the ecosystem. It's a beautiful dance of life where every organism has a role to play. Section 4. Nature's masterpieces. Some ecosystems come close to perfection. Coral reefs bustling with colorful fish and intricate coral formations are a testament to nature's artistry. The Amazon rainforest, a verdant paradise teeming with life, showcases the power of biodiversity. These natural wonders are not just beautiful, they are essential for the health of our planet. They regulate climate, purify water, and provide us with countless resources. Section 5. Harmony disrupted. Sadly, human activities are disrupting the harmony of many ecosystems. Deforestation, pollution, and industrial activities are leading to the degradation of our natural environment. The once lush forests are being replaced by barren lands, and the rivers that once flowed pure are now contaminated with waste. Factories, with their relentless emission of smoke, are contributing to the ever-growing problem of air pollution. Climate change, driven by these activities, is taking a toll on our planet. We see the evidence in the melting glaciers, which are causing sea levels to rise, and in the extreme weather events that are becoming more frequent and severe. Parched landscapes are becoming a common sight as droughts become more prolonged and intense. When we destroy habitats, we break the delicate threads that hold these ecosystems together. The consequences are far-reaching. Species disappear, ecosystems collapse, and the intricate balance that has been maintained for millennia is disrupted. The fallen trees in a forest are not just wood, they are homes to countless creatures. Abandoned nests and animal burrows tell the story of displaced wildlife. The planet's ability to support life diminishes as these changes take place. Endangered species are pushed closer to extinction, and the vibrant coral reefs, which are the rainforests of the sea, are collapsing. Barren landscapes replace once fertile grounds, making it difficult for life to thrive. We are witnessing the loss of biodiversity at an alarming rate. The rich tapestry of life that once covered our planet is unraveling. Diverse wildlife in their natural habitats is becoming a rare sight. Species that have existed for centuries are disappearing before our eyes, and the forests that once covered vast areas are shrinking rapidly. This is a stark reminder of our impact on the natural world. The time lapse of a forest turning into barren land, the before and after images of deforestation, and the haunting images of extinct animals serve as a powerful testament to the consequences of our actions. It is a call to action, urging us to reconsider our relationship with nature and to take steps to restore the harmony that has been disrupted. Section 6. A fragile balance. The balance of nature is fragile, easily disrupted by human actions, but we can choose a different path. By understanding the interconnectedness of all living things, we can begin to appreciate the true value of ecosystems. We must remember that we are part of nature, not separate from it. Our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. Section 7. Our shared responsibility. Protecting ecosystems is not just a matter of preserving nature's beauty, it is about safeguarding our future. We must reduce our ecological footprint, adopt sustainable practices, and protect our remaining wild spaces. The future of life on Earth depends on our actions today. Let us strive to be better stewards of our planet for the sake of all living things and generations to come.